Boys and girls, today our science objective is to determine how animals are alike and different. Some of the vocabulary words that we'll be using in today's lesson are forest and pond. This elk is standing in a forest. A forest is a place with a lot of trees. Why might animals like living in a place like a forest? This word is pond. These geese are swimming in a pond. The pond is where they live, and a pond is a small area of water. If you stand at one end of a pond, you could easily see to the other side. How do these geese move around in the pond? Can you think of some other animals that might also live in a pond? Where animals live is called their habitat. Animals live in different places. Some animals live in ponds, and we know that a pond is a small area of water. These geese live in a pond. Special parts help animals live in ponds. For example, frogs have webbed feet. Webbed feet help frogs swim. This frog also lives in the pond. Some animals will live in forest. We know that a forest is a place with a lot of trees. This elk lives in a forest. And special parts help animals live in forests. For example, squirrels have very sharp claws. Those sharp claws help the squirrels climb trees. Can you think of other animals that may also live in the forest?